we had a pizza at Stars, and we were sitting out by the pier, you know, across the street in the harbor, and the seagulls came and literally grabbed it from him.
The whole pizza?
Well, they were basically
here comes
attacking.
one over there, I bet. See that one flying?
And they will
He's gonna
attack
come
these
in.
little kids because the
There
kids
he
are
is.
smaller.
There he is. Is he gonna come in? No, we haven't had any bites yet.
Yeah.
Liam, I think, is eating some of his bread.
Well, that's what it should be.
Liam, don't throw bread at the people.
Seagulls are savvy. They're waiting for us to leave.
What? You think?
Oh, absolutely.
Like there are too many of them.
They're all congregating down over there by 8th Street. Oh, there it is.
So you've never had them attack
Okay.
you?
Okay.
I've had them like
Come and eat,
come
like, grab
really
it out of your
close.
hand?